January 6, 2019. I have vacation in July 2019. I want to take that. I want to use that engine. We'll try it. It's weird having the wheels underneath you. The radiator is gone, and the radiator was pretty much toast. There, see the brand new stainless steel coolant lines run all the way to the back. Alright, spare tire holder is painted, the brackets that hold the gas tank up is painted, and the brackets that hold the spare tire holder and the spare tire down have been cleaned and painted. I have painted the fan shroud. Oh wow, my continuity sucks. I'll swing over, click in. These will be pushed up through the right holes. There's now a gas tank. I didn't film it because it's a pain in the ass. Deal with it. I keep forgetting to film future Muse editing, I'm so sorry. Engine is now on a stand. It really helps. It's just a sheer multiplier of energy. Come on towards the end here. Alright, so let's take a look. We got plenty of the old crusty crusties, but we can clean that out. Those heads have no damage on them. Back seats are gone. Top deck is cleaned. So I'm running that. Got everything is primed. Over here in the wells we primed it and then we painted it with white paint. So so that light reflects in there and you can actually see inside there. Beautiful. You know, it doesn't make much sense. You spray it black and then you just spray it gray again. But it looks nicer. That's all that matters. I'm exhausted. It is probably 80 something degrees out in a bit of a fire. But that's okay, we don't need anything from there. Over here towards the midsection, Chrysler made these things called stow and go seating, where it flips and does some magic and goes into there. What it really means is the seat is super flat if you unbolt it. That's right. So those are my new seats for the van, because the ones that are in there are highly uncomfortable. Just want to show how perfectly they fit. Total cost, $55.74. $30.81. One piece that's 17 inches long by 2 inches wide, and one piece that's 17 inches long by 4 inches wide. Now some bolts in there, and it does that a bit.
Hardest thing is to never
Right.
especially because you don't want to get it basically
Okay, now I was hoping not to have to weld, but these aren't structural. You can just make the shittiest booger welds so that it stays square. Alright, here's what we ended up with. Oh really? They did it this way so that they could bend, and there's just kind of, it's really ugly. So we're welding and grinding. Oh wow, look at that. Turns out you can bridge pretty big gaps as long as you're patient, even with a crappy welder. Alright, so the welds aren't perfect, but a little bit of spackle and Bondo. Sounds like I've left the welder on. Got holes and holes and holes and holes and But other than that, it's fine. Alright, here's a good one. I have a complex shape to cut out, and I can't really trace that. So what I've done is put a piece of cardboard and then zip tie through it. What we do is we're going to feed this down into the hole. And then we're going to pull on the zip tie. And then we're going to hit it with a little bit of spray paint, and that'll give me my perfect template. Kidding me. Look at that. That's a lot of holes. Patch 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, big 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. So, I've patched 20 holes. Yay. Today is April 28th, 2019. I am now 24 years old. Happy birthday to me. It's kind of a sad birthday. For the past month or so, I've known that this van just isn't going to be done in time for my vacation. I don't have the money. I did a spreadsheet of all the parts I need, and I did a spreadsheet of all the money I will make. The two just didn't add up. So that's why I've transitioned to body work. I want to make sure the suspension is proper. I want to replace all the steering bushings. I don't want this shaking when I'm going down the highway. I want to really take my time with the engine conversion, make sure that it's not going to die in the middle of nowhere. I know it's a Subaru and Subarus never die, but you also never know. I want to make sure the wiring is proper. Definitely want to make sure the wiring is proper. And I want the entire underside to be re-undercoated. I mean, who knows when you might run into a road that has been recently salted, possibly after a good snowstorm. While I don't intend on driving anywhere near snow, chances are I'm gonna go a few times. So I'm gonna finish cleaning up this patch job of all the rust holes in the floor. I'm gonna try not to think about the giant rust holes over by the driver's side. Until then, this has been the end of episode 1. Episode 2, whenever I make some good progress. Well, this is Grant, signing out. After credits scene, I was filming this. I looked down and yep, there's a little pinhole right there. I've got to patch and weld again. It just never ends. I want to sleep.